Assalamu alaikum. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into some exciting details about domain ratings and how you can create backlink to boost your SEO. Last time I showed you the domain rating of this website and we took a close look at its details. You might remember that I mentioned we can create backlink here, but we did not actually go through the process of creating a profile account for it. Well, today that's exactly what we are going to do. I'll walk you through creating a profile account and show you step by step how to add a backlink. This is an important part of building your website authority and improving your ranking on search engine. So make sure to stick around. Dear viewers, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. And if you found this content helpful, give it a thumb up. Let's jump into it. Alright, let's get started with keeping that account and adding our backlink. Dear viewers, I am already logged in, so you need to log out in order to create a new account. So I am clicking on profile icon and I am clicking on username. Dear viewers, after clicking on profile icon, we can see here sign out. So I should click on it. Dear viewers, now I am log out of the website. So dear viewers, note down the website address that you can create a profile account here later. So if you don't note down the address, no problem, I will put it on comment box in the video. Viewers, in order to create an account here, you should click on join it located on top right corner. So click on it and here we can see join now. Click on it and enter your full name, then enter your email address, and give a strong password and tick mark it, and tick on I'm not a robot, then continue. Your country, select your country and select your city and select your primary interest. It can be anything, a list, it can be anything from the list. Click on make my profile public, then continue. Dear viewers, I have read and agreed to the community agreement. So click on tick mark and then continue. Dear viewers, we have created a profile account here successfully. So an email has been sent. My email address, verify the email. So we should go to our email. Dear viewers, you can see an email. We can see an email came here. So click on it and verify your email. So an email was sent, but it is now already verified. My account already verified, and now click on your username here. You can see your profile dashboard and click on edit profile. Your full name already here. You can add your nickname here. Viewers, you can see link. So enter your link here. You can add your website here. So viewers, the most importantly, you should notice that our main purpose is create a backlink. How to create a backlink? We just need to put our website here. That is backlink. So copy our website address. Here is my website, and I putting it here. And you can also add more website here or social media profile. Just I have no time enough to do more, but you will not ignore any option so that your profile will stay longer here. So dear viewers, after putting your website and details, just click on save. Your profile has been updated. Now you can see here wall logo, www wall logo, website logo. When I hovering my mouse on it gets clickable. So if I click on it, it took me to my website. It took me to my website within seconds. So dear viewers, we finally created our backlink. To know more details, click on it and click on your right button on your mouse, then click on inspect. Dear viewers, here you can see that here is our website visible. So here is no indication, any indication that identify the backlink is no follow. Here is no any tag, no follow tag. So it is So it is Dofollow 100% Dofollow backlink. Dear viewers, that's all for today. If you like my video, please thumb up and comment and share to your social media profile. And if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel to get more new videos. Bye bye.